the trial balance. In the one of the initial clips when we were discussing the accounting cycle, we were talking about starting from the journals, then going to the ledgers, and then finally reaching the trial balance. So practically the third step in the accounting cycle. Journals are the books of prime entry, ledgers are the books of final entry, and trial balance. What is it? Trial balance is a summary of ledgers. Now when we summarize the ledgers, when we take out all the balances from the ledgers, we make a trial balance. That is why a trial balance may also be defined as a list of balances, a list of debit and credit balances on a particular date. So on a particular date, when we extract balances from the ledgers, that is all different kinds of ledgers, that is sales ledger and purchase ledger and general ledger, all the different kinds of ledgers that are falling under the category of those three ledgers, when we extract their individual accounts, those individual accounts are then going to be residing here inside the trial balance in the form of a list. And those are going to be falling under two categories: debit balances and credit balances. All the incomes and liabilities and capital are going to be written on the credit side, whereas all the assets and expenses are going to come on the debit side. Now, this is a check of the previous steps that have happened, that is the journal and the ledger. If they have been, the journals and the ledgers, if they have been made correctly, obviously, that will result in trial balance becoming equal. So this is more than anything else a check of the previous happenings in the accounting cycle, and it basically authenticates or endorses the previous steps that have taken place. And all these balances are going to be residing here, and if they become equal, it means that we are following the double entry principle properly. It means that all the journals and all the ledgers have been made properly, without any numerical errors, without any arithmetic errors, without any accounting based errors. Everything has taken place properly. So this is the third step in the accounting cycle, and which tells us that the previous accounts have been made correctly, and it also is a stepping stone for things to come, that is the financial statements or the final accounts. They are made on the basis of this list of balances, which is called a trial balance. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next clip.